when I stand before the face that watched all this die, I will ask one simple question: what could an unborn child do to make the world arrive with its hands already closed? Was the rust already in me before my heart began? Did the dark know my name before I knew I was damned? Did I owe the sky a sentence for the crime of being born? I came here without fingerprints, without a debt or name, but the arms meant to carry me only taught me shame. Now the house still walks in me, I hear it breathe at night. Every doorway keeps a shadow, every window kills the light. You point at the teeth I grew, but never at the hands that taught a frightened mouth to bite before it understood. Nature or nurture? Which one buried the child? Which one taught the empty room to answer when I cried? Nature or nurture? Was I born beneath the curse, or did they pour their winter through me until I wore their hurt? Do not call the darkness mine. I arrived here clean. So who turned out the light? God, were you behind the walls when they began to breathe? Did heaven close its curtains when I learned I could not leave? They taught me love by leaving, they taught me prayer by fear, they taught me every gentle voice was something not to hear. So I stitched my heart behind my ribs with thread pulled from my skin and built a face no one would love to hide the child within. Now you condemn the smoke in me, but will not name the flame. You ask why the mirror cracked, but never who caught my name. Nature or nurture? Which one buried the child? Which one taught the empty room to answer when I cried? Nature or nurture? Was I born beneath the curse, or did they pour their winter through me until I wore their hurt? Do not call the darkness mine. I arrived here clean. So who turned out the light? Was I already ruined when you sent me through the door? Every soul is given choices, every heart must answer for itself. What choice belongs to children when pain is all they know? You gave them hands, they made weapons. You gave the mouths, they filled mine with blame. You put a candle in my chest and watched them teach the wind my name. I was not born an animal. I learned the shape of every chain. They fed me from an open wound, then blamed me for the stain. You made the child, they made the scar. Now everyone asks what monsters are. Nature or nurture, who murdered the child, who left his body breathing and called it being alive. Nature or nurture, was the poison always there, or did it fall through generations into every unanswered prayer? I was not born evil, I was born waiting for someone to be kind. When I reached the gates with that old house in my bones, do not ask why I became someone I no longer know. Ask the silence, ask the locked door. Do not judge the man